Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Maker. Today I bring you a very nice and very interesting video, and before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Really need you guys support. Without wasting your time, let's begin now. Today we are going to make bamboo shoot side dish. For that I will show you all required ingredients. I have taken some of the twisted bean seed and some bamboo shoot and some dry fish and chili, whole chili and onion and some fermented fish and spring onion and potato, 2 potatoes, and this is butterfly ginger lily, and we are going to cut this all and we are going to boil it for 15 minutes. Now it's been completed 15 minutes and it's already cooked now. So let's turn off the heat. And after that, let's open the cover. Now the food is ready. Bamboo shoot side dish and roasted dry fish also is ready, and let's try. I will have it with steamed rice. It will be more tasty. So let's try now. It's very tasty. We can try with roasted fish. It's very tasty. I hope you like my video. If you enjoy my video, please keep on watching my video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I really need you guys support, and see you in the next video. Bye.